The Laundry Lady is a mobile laundry service with ironing and washing pickup and delivery. We deliver our services through a team of independent contractors. I always had the vision from the start that it would grow into a scalable model, but I just needed to have the time and resources to be able to do that. As a newly restructured business, we couldn't even get a credit card through a traditional bank. Prospa was able to look at the full history of our business and give us access to financial support that we needed to be able to grow our business quickly. Prospa offered a really easy online application and very fast approval process within 1 to 2 days, which helped us get through some cash flow and other financial issues really quickly in comparison to going through traditional financial methods. The application process was an online form that was really easy. I had a call from someone at Prospa within an hour, and then I had approval within a day. The funds were in my account within another day. It was so fast and easy, which is really great when you're a busy business that doesn't have the time to be on the phone for long periods of time. What's great about the line of credit is that as we get extra funds coming in, we can put that back onto that line of credit, and then we can draw down when we need the funds. So it's really helpful because we have different cash flow that comes in at different times to be able to manage that more seamlessly. Our goals for the business is really to grow our team of laundry ladies and lads to be fully Australia-wide through all cities and regional areas, and grow our team to at least 500 throughout Australia.